In this video, I will share to you about how to make a unique meshing commercial building. First of all, we can use the rectangle and we can click from this position until to the position with the dimension around 20 meter and 18 meter in here. It's like this. And now we can click the surface and it's like a push pull. We can push pull around 1 meter, enter. Then we can triple click and the make group. And anyway, we can enlarge the meshing in here. It's around 4 meter. Then we can push it down like this. Okay, and then we can erase some unnecessary line over there. And then we can click this rectangle. It's like move, tap control, place it to the position. Then we can move it up around 4 meter. Okay, around 4 meter. Okay, and then we can select a move, tap control, and click to the position again and again and again. Okay, and maybe we can add 1 floor more in here. Okay, and after that we can see about the meshing. This is a basic meshing, and I will show you about the dimension for this meshing. The dimension is around 27 meter, and for the depth of this building is around 27 meter also. Like this, you can see about the details. You can see about the depth of this building. Then we can make it smaller than the bottom slab in here. Then we can click the surface and offset it inside. We can offset it inside around 4 meter, enter. And we can push it down, and again we can offset it inside around 500 millimeter. Around 1 meter, and push it down again. And this one around 1 meter. I will repeat. We can offset it inside around 2 meter more, enter, and push it down and push it down until the limit. Okay, and after that anyway, we have to complete this slab in here and also this one. Okay, then we can click the surface and offset it inside until same the end point. Then we can offset it outside around 1 meter. Okay, then we can push it down until the limit like this and erase some unnecessary line over there in here. Then we can complete. Okay, and after that we can see about the distance from this position until this position is 2 meter. Now we can offset it inside 1 meter only. Okay, then we can push it down until the limit, and we can complete the slab in here just like this. Okay, so this is about the podium, and this is about the podium of this building, and this is with a unique arrangement of this meshing, because I will guide you to create the unique meshing of this building anyway. Then we can select the rectangle, click from the corner until to the corner. Then we can triple click and offset it inside around 500 millimeter only. We can erase, triple click, right click and erase. Then we can push it up. Okay, and make group. Then we can erase some unnecessary line and click for this line. It's like move, tap control, place to the position. Then we can type 15 slash and enter. And also this one, we can move, tap control, and click this position. Then we can type 15 slash and enter. Okay, and then now we can make offset it inside 500 millimeter. Click the surface and copy and edit, paste in place and push it down. You can triple click, make group. Okay, then we can erase the top and bottom. You can erase the top and bottom surface and move and duplicate as usual. Then we can type 14 slash and enter. and also this one. You can select move, tap control, and then you can type 14 slash and enter. Okay, and again we can continue until to the top floor in here. Okay, then we can double click and offset it inside to 500 millimeter. Click this surface, copy. Okay, then edit, paste in place, and push it until to the bottom. Triple click, make group, triple click, and click this surface, erase. Click this surface, erase. Then we can click this line, select move, tap control, place to this position. Then we can type 13 slash and enter. And also this line, you can select move, tap control, and place this one, and we can type 13 slash and enter. Okay, and again we can triple click, offset it inside of 500 millimeter. Click this surface, copy. Okay, and edit, paste in place, and push it down. Okay, you can click this one, this line, select move, tap control, and place it to position. Then you can type 12 slash and enter. And click this line and select move, tap control. Then you can type 12 slash and enter. Triple click, make group. Okay, we can erase. Okay, and then this is the last floor. We can type 500 millimeter. Click the surface, add copy, and edit, paste in place, and push it until to the bottom. And we can erase. Click this line, select move, tap control, place to the position. Then we can type 10 slash enter. We can select line and select move, tap control. Okay, then we can type 12 slash and enter. Okay, so it's this commercial building is like a temple. This is monumental enough. Then don't forget to make the parapet. Don't forget to make the parapet in here, just a little bit like this, because this is for the commerce services building access in here. Okay, approximately like this. Okay, anyway, I will choose the color. I like to see about the color of this building. I will assign about the color of this building anyway. Okay, and then we can assign about the saturation of this building. Now we can assign about the glazing. We can assign with a blue glazing in here like this, or we can assign about the saturation and darkness level of this building, and opacity, and much more. Okay, and after that we can also make the another elements. I will choose about this texture material first. Okay. Anyway, we can choose about the another accent element in here. We can choose this one. We can Control X, and we can paste in place. We can make group, and now we can erase some additional line over there. We can make component, create. We can assign in here. Okay, we can assign about the pattern of this building. Okay, just like this, and then we can select move and duplicate about the pattern of this building. Until to the ground floor area in here. Okay, so this is the pattern, and then we can also add the pattern to the another position, to the another side like this. We can rotate 90 degree. Okay, and it's done, and we can also make the hallway terrace. We can also make the terrace in here. Then we can also make the canopy. We'll click make group. Okay, we can adjust about the shadow like this, and it's done. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you, and just wait for my next tutorial. Thank you.